If you have a sprinkler system, you know that from time to time the sprinkler heads get clogged up. Now, if you're someone who does not have a sprinkler system but uses the design I showed you of how to make the best sprinkler in the world, best sprinkler you will ever own, out of PVC pipe and one of these sprinkler heads, then if you use it for any length of time, you know that from time to time they can get clogged up. It's usually algae that forms in there, but it can be sediment or sand or something like that. Let me show you how to clean that out, because it will need it from time to time. It does impede its functionality. It's not getting near as much water through it because it's full of junk and gunk. So if this is an orbit, like I say, I would imagine all of them have clean outs, have a way to clean them out. This is how to do an orbit. Unscrew it. You're unscrewing the bottom from the ring there. Take it apart. There's the spring that makes it pop up. And right there is a little screen. And you can see that is full of junk. So what I'll do is come in here and get all that out, and that's really algae is what that is. There might be some dirt and algae mixed in, but that is a mess. Probably wouldn't hurt to do this once a year, or just watch them and see if they've started really getting gunky. This has probably been on this sprinkler, it's probably been 2 years, and maybe longer. But basically this is a screen, and you want that screen all the way around here. That is screen, and you want it to be free and clear. This is much easier to do with an air hose. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll show you how quickly it blows out with an air hose. If you don't have an air hose, then get a wire brush, toothbrush. Just get in here and well, let me just show you how to do that. By the way, a tip is to keep your old toothbrushes for things such as this, cleaning parts, maybe with some gasoline or whatever. I use toothbrushes all the time to get stuff clean. Now you can run this through the sink if you don't have air. Use one of those compressed air bottles like you use on your computer. But you can start to see now that is beginning to look like a screen that's porous, and you need to get all that stuff out. Look how much stuff came out of that. I mean, that's a wad of stuff. So let me take you to the air hose. Actually, I decided to bring the air hose to the camera. Okay, so there it is, nice and clean. You'll put it back in here. I run my finger through it to make sure there's none on the outside edge or the inside of this. Put that back in. Wipe this off a little bit. Screw that back on. It's ready to go. That will impede the progress of your sprinkler. Clean them out. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about a while ago when I said making your own sprinkler, you need to watch video in the upper right hand corner right about now. I'll put it up there. Absolutely the best sprinkler you will ever own. If you don't have a sprinkler system, if you, like me, have hoses running all over your yard, and you water your yard like that, that will make a marvelous sprinkler. But you still need to clean it out. You can unscrew it and look, and you can see the gunk starting to form. In other words, you can go unscrew yours right now and look, and if you see some stuff down in there, it's probably time to clean it out. So anyway, that's how to clean it out. It'll make that sucker work like brand new. All right, hope you got something out of it. Comment if you will, thumbs up if you will, and I appreciate you watching.